Anyone that knows me knows that I love wiring and tools. I love tools as well. And looking through the brochure from my local Isle of Wight Mac tool supplier, I found this. And I thought, I've got to have one of those. And this is my soldering station. So I've got space for my soldering iron, my solder, and complete fluke, my flux as well. But what I do lack is something to hold the wires onto while I'm soldering. Whoa, that's pretty cool. I know some people say that you shouldn't solder on cars, let alone race cars. However, there are situations where you do need to solder, or at least I need to solder. Well, I think this is a brilliant tool and I think it was worth every penny. I can see me using this an awful lot. If you're interested go and see your local Mac dealer. We have one on the Isle of Wight. And he's a really nice chap because he helps sponsor the Rally Mini. Right, what tool shall I review next?